Running ads for a local business to sell products only receive people seeking jobs. I've been running a campaign for the last week. Almost all of the leads are from people looking for jobs. Anything we can do to avoid these people? Okay, for anyone who is trying to sell products and are receiving, people seeking job, this is another common perspective. People get, especially when the campaign is new, when the campaign data needs to be matured over here. I think we can try 2 to 3 fixes to solve around this issue for anyone who gets this issue. For instance, this is an account. What I recommend you move on to the campaign over here. This is a campaign settings change, and for instance, you are running this campaign. I'm going to select the edit settings over here to tell you few of the tweaks which you can do to sort these issues around. So let's wait while the setting gets loaded so I can show you. Or maybe an error. Let's say we're going with again. Let's say we're going with this. Okay, I'm going to refresh. This is not something I have to see or I like to see, but let's say going to see it. Let's say going with this one. Simply move to the settings over here. Okay, so few of the things which I recommend people over here is, first of all, if you see something like this, definitely uncheck this, because majority of the time this is being checked for the people. So I recommend people doing uncheck over here. Second thing which I recommend people over here is doing your location targeting and pinpointing your locations exactly. And then after this location option, select this one, presence. Google ideally recommend this one, presence of interest. Similarly, the client has done over here as well, but I recommend people to go with the presence in case if you want pinpoint correct targeting for your audience. After this, the third thing which I recommend over here is, what you can do is look around for your search terms. You can simply write over here search terms and go to your audience insights over here. Okay, and once you show over here, you may see a data over here of the people like who are coming, like let's say they are coming from the jobs. Okay, you can simply add them as a negative keyword. So also, apart from this, what I recommend you go onto your keywords tab. By moving on to the keywords, move on to your negative keywords profile and simply add the keywords like jobs or something like you may have received from the search terms as well, and try to add them as a save as well, so that when someone is searching for the job, your ad is not shown to them. These are the few quick fixes through which you can optimize. Also look around for your search term report and keep on adding your negative keywords. So these are the few things through which you can easily solve this issue. But anyone who needs a professional help with the Google Ads account or professional monthly management, or we are a team of Google partners and we are a full-fledged company. If you want to hire us, you can hire us through the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Take care, and I hope this answered your query as well. Bye bye.